Yeah, nation people. Oh, it look. Oh, it looking idea, yeah. Yes. Don't look that bad. Look like it bleak, like rain a gonna fall. But here we are going now, nation people. We have to big up the general bounty killer on him 50th birthday. Now give me excuses not there about that. Happy Earth Strong General. Now give me thing not there about it. You know what I mean? A big manners and respect and the material evidence. They skin out the whole of downtown in front of everybody's face. Well, right now we have to big up Skillibeng. You hear that? The whap artist. You see what I say? Yeah. When the man run out for summer jam, when Fivio close the show and call out Bang Bang. When Bang Bang, you know, run out for summer jamming up people. What? When Bang Bang run out for summer jam people and say scope on the Glock, so the thing sound when it, yo, around 75,000 nation people. A big whap. You couldn't hear yourself in a summer jam. It don't even matter if you have 10 load steel on. You still couldn't hear yourself, my brother. You hear me I say? The whap take over summer jam. Well, Skilly, beautiful look that. You hear me I say? And let me tell you something. An awesome accomplishment that for your career, my brother. Yo, I love it. Respect to the Bang Bang. No joke shit not there about it. Because some boy, you know, in a Jamaica, you know, act like them want, you know. Me not know what type of problem them and Skilly, you know. Because me not think Skilly have no problem with them do that. You see what I say? Me not know if I true Skilly big up Vibes Cartel, and me not know if I true Skilly not really link with no man, nah. Look no linkage from no man, cause Skilly is a look one away youth, if you notice. So me not really know I want the criteria, but me know personally say them youth here, them not have no excuse why them think them supposed to get up and feel like say them can downgrade the man's style and downgrade the man's song, downgrade the man's lyrics. Right now, you know, these vloggers, you know, I say them vlog for dancehall, you? Yo, how the fuck you vlog for dancehall and you know like which part dancehall I go? You see dancehall I go bumbuckle international and you know like it, but you vlog for dancehall. Yo, so here we go on. Right now, my sister, right now, you know, uno are not Skillibeng haters, you know, my brother. Uno are those critics, Stella. No joke about it, uno are those crickets teller, backstabbing reviewer, you see what I say? And jockstrap sniffer. No gimmicks, this is not about it. That's uno are, my brother. There ain't no way you can't say you are vlog for dancehall and dancehall music. And you see a man a take a youth take dancehall to a different level. And you now vlog about that. How much I wanna come out come talk about what him do to summer jam? What the whap do to summer jam? How much I wanna come out come talk about that? Eh? How much I wanna come out come talk about that? You don't have no reason for your hate pan the man. You see what I say? You not even have no bumper or clot reason for your hate pan the man. Is nothing more than you not like say you get success. You know what I mean? It have to be who you not like and who you not prefer. The world not run by who you not blood clot like where you not want, you know, my brother. And I saw this world running on. You hear that? Yeah. There ain't no way bumper clot, the whap, dominate first world country. You see where it do to England when him go over there. No, no blood clot see. Summer John, around 75,000 at the blood clot place. Wanna see what I'm do to it? Eh? Eh? Now worry on yourself. Canada coming soon. Because right now it look like a full moon. And we're not going to see where blood clot going over there too. You see what I say? So right now, the man who want to claim say, I do folk song. I want to like the song them weak too, you know. I want to know where I do. Alright, say, for instance, you never understand where I do. Now I want to know where I do. I want to like the song. Just say for instance, yeah, you don't like it. The same song what you don't like, you see it track a bugger international country tear it down. So one speech they feel. Because you don't have to like the blood clot song, you know. For make the people them know, you know. Say this is what the song I do, you know. In the US, you know. Alright, this is what the song I do, you know. On the chart, you know. Alright, this is what Skillibeng do to the stage show them with the same song, you know. Me not hear no say none of that. So that mean you know no lovers of dancehall boy. You know go chat that. You know lovers of man. You hear that? No gimmicks business not dead about it. And the worst thing about it, the artist will not run up on no more about and a chat about him not have them type of impact there. Is what I say? Internationally. I still want to run on a blood clot mouth. You see what I say? You look up blood clot, jockstrap sniffers you. You look up backstabbing reviewers. You look up critics blood clot teller. Anyway, you can't stop it. You can't chat. Whap international. And blood clot, some of them prove that. So right now you can go check out Skillibeng blood clot Spotify and check out them numbers them, cause them supposed to rise like the blood clot. See, is what I say? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. Supposed to rise like the big blood clot ocean. No lollipop thing not dead about it. So here I go on right about now. Whap gone. I'm gonna carry blood clot hold it back. No joke not dead about that. But right now, big up the 5-star general, Rodney Price, aka Bounty Killer. Big up yourself, General. You see what I say? It was an awesome look. You see what I say? And the people them come out and show them bumbuckler respect. And respect to all of the artists them who come work on the show too. Big up Cargo, because a long time Cargo there in a hiding. So big up Cargo. Because we see Cargo touch the street with the clip them load from what area. So no gimmicks business not there about it. Yes, I will see the unruly boss and Joshy shell it. You see what I say? And yeah, it was a beautiful look. You know what I mean? From the general 58 strong. You see what I say? The 50 caliber work yesterday. No joke shit not there. About it, you know what I mean? And respect to everybody who participate in it, you know. Respect to the sponsor of them too, you know. You see what I deal with? Yeah man, we like that type of unity there in a dance hall. One blood clot general. You see me? One voice. You hear that? Big man Rodney Price. You see what I say? And we not talk about the anti-blood clot guys. Or the 5-star general me I tell you about. You see what I say? Junglist bumbuckler artist. You better know that. And no gimmicks bumbuckler thing. You know a Gaza Mat 90 rifle and Glock thing. You know each and every time I represent in a nation people. You know what type of thing it is, you know. 10-star in the building, you know. You know another joke thing, you know. What? Foot strong and dirty. No gimmicks thing not there about it. Yeah man. Foot firm and dirty. Nation people. You see what I say? Yeah, I pay $8, yeah? No. Remember you give me one yesterday. I have $8 for you. Yeah, I have $8 for you. Hello? It wasn't you. It was your friend?
Yeah, I'm coming over now.
You gonna tell him?
Where are you?
Eh?
You owed him $8?
Yeah, I owe him $8. I want one too.
Okay, stay there. I'm coming up right now.
Yeah, make sure you tell him, okay? Yeah. You see what I say, nation people? No joking not about it. Yeah, man. So, respect again to the big man, Rodney Price, pan him strong. And respect to the artists them who turn on the whole of downtown in a frenzy. We love the look. It couldn't get any better than that. You see what I say? A real way. You know what I mean? Yes. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. If I saw the people, the artists them could have coordinated with even them one another and everything, I think, would have cute and crisp. And nobody know they can this. I know that look there yesterday, I know it's supposed to burn Vegas out because him not really too have fun on the big man. You see what I say? But here we go on. These are the thing where them can't take from the general. Them can't take him street cred. And at that enough for them now. That's why them not like the man. So big up Skillibeng again. For shell with Summer John. With the whap. Awesome performance, my brother. You see what I say? Awesome look for dancehall. And awesome look for even the young artists them will enter into dancehall. For sure you say if Beng can do it. You know what I mean? You can do it to youth. And you don't have to follow no idiot vlogger. No follow no idiot boy with what them a say. Just do what you believe in. Because you say that Beng do. Remember, you know, when you see them a cuss Beng, you know, and him never stop. Eh? You know, see them with that chat about Beng, him stop. Eh? When them run them mouth about this and that, make me ask you, no, Beng did stop. Instead of him stop, you get whap underneath on a nasty blood clot. The whole on you get whap. Now on the head down in the ground, shame like Tom Dooley and can't blood clot voice in your opinion upon it. You know see it? Yo, I don't see it. All my gun see it. And another lollipop thing. Big up the 5-star general bounty killer, Rodney Price. You know what I mean? Downtown Kingston, shell way. Hotter than where LA. What? Yo, a 10-star, you know? The general. People's champion. Watch.